Welcome back to Asi the Hot. Ezugu Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Kayode Okpefade inside studio. And our State of the Nation, now we dey discuss. The first one will carry come get to do with the war against corruption. How far? We ask questions, say, okay, by the 29th of May, it will be 1 year since with this government don't enter. And the government, the thing when they sing now say they won't pursue corruption. Shall we dey on the right track? Or be we see the, I go speak English, we see the dilly-dally. We also talk about the one we get to do with the monkey hand when we don't see inside the pot of soup for different banks. As it get to do with people when we say, there be big people, they know the government, but they join hand with some people when the government to follow spoil government work. We all also top them up with one story when get to do with the budget when Oga President don't sign. And our Ogbonge visitor don't tell us, say, if they go in a particular direction, Honorable, make we enter on that particular one. You just check that paper, see picture of where people line up. No be they line up with their motos yes, to buy fuel. And we make we not even to go far. You get the time when we say people they lose their fuel tank. They go they line up for filling station.
Somebody comes to fuel tank.
Some people carry generator.
Carry fuel tank. Just they
go buy fuel. I want to ask one question. Share this particular fuel scarcity when they come, they go. Share now off and on kind of situation. Now in this government they present, give us. I be the government no get solution to the problem of fuel scarcity.
Abu go talk na still monkey hand they do it.
During Obasanjo. Fuel scarcity day during Yar'Adua. Fuel scarcity day during Jonathan. Fuel scarcity still day during Buhari.
But them who come
now we say the thing no be new.
No be new.
Now wetin we want talk we say how we go make it no happen
again. Thank you very much.
So when that if the thing they happen, no be surprise to me.
Okay.
A country where your pipeline no they work. Where even when in the work, some people go say now because it passed through their village, they go blow up. And you know if you catch them, you go find problem how you go distribute fuel. Two, for a country where your economy, some people don't spell out. You don't get foreign exchange to import. No, make a start for country where no get refinery. Where the one where you get, you know if you pump crude oil, you know if you pump crude oil because some people don't pump the oil. And the government no repair them. Now because of that, I say you go come the import. Now for you to import, you know can't get foreign exchange because some people don't spoil your economy.
We no go vex. We get Temitokpe. He dey call us from Shomolu. Make no vex. Temitokpe, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi and Oga Chukudi.
Good morning, Temitokpe.
Good morning, Oga Okpefade. Good morning. No.
I think say no go greet me. Good morning. No.
About the comment of the UK Prime Minister David Cameron.
Okay.
I think talk say Nigeria dey fantastically
corrupt.
Yes, I will add my own. I would say Nigeria dey extra fantastically corrupt.
You don't qualify.
Now inside this country, I mean, we dey hear people they support corrupt people. Then go talk say when for instance when this government when come on board, and they investigate some people, they torchlight their evil thing they don't do. Some people will call and say now only them they corrupt. Then go and say if you get there, you know go shop them. Then we go to address to themselves say if they get there, they go do the same thing. Imagine people they defend corrupt people. We dey hear lately of who call themselves Niger Delta
Avengers.
Yes.
They talk say make some Nigerians apologize to one man wey run like a woman from UK. Come Nigeria. Say make they apologize to them. They don't apologize. Go bomb all pipeline. We dey hear James Ibori dey this country. They escape justice. The UK they start sentence. Many cases like that.
Very true.
We are with the fear.
Very true. Oga Temitokpe, because of plenty time we know there, we go appreciate this your contribution. You don't already talk and say we don't suppose they defend or support people when they corrupt. If we want to pursue corruption for our country, make we ensure say we support the government when they fight corruption. We get Justin. Justin, they call us all the way from Plateau State. Justin, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, Oga Chukwumanga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning, Justin.
Okay, so we know this is some up to we don't get light for our side now.
Now no get life on our side since when?
Since on Monday, since on Sunday, since Saturday, since on Saturday.
Which side you there for Plateau? Which side you there?
So are they just not that two others?
Okay, continue.
So I just hear that issue pertaining what David Cameron just said, the preaching Prime Minister. He said the truth because from the beginning, the president started talking that Nigeria we are corrupt. If you say the president not talk something like that, who you not get right to say something like that?
Okay, Justin, make I ask you this question. You agree, say corruption a problem for this country or not?
Or not, yes.
But not be the corruption be the problem for this country.
What will be the problem? What will be the problem?
Now our leaders be the problem, not be the corruption.
What in the cause make our leaders be problem?
That's where the problem is. Our leader be the problem. You see, now some people like the president where don't go out to go cause say now we they corrupt. Nigeria they corrupt. You know, if other people they're supposed to call help us now, they are thinking that Nigeria they are corrupt. Like David Cameron said, just said something yesterday that Nigeria they are corrupt. It's from the beginning what the president said. That is what is misquoted. He calls the president right. When he said that Nigeria we are corrupt, all of us we agree now. Yes, we are corrupt, but it's not a situation that you go outside the country and paint us that we are corrupt now.
Even if you talk and hear, then they hear
Okay, say we don't get your point, and thank you very much for that contribution. You be Nigeria, and I would already talk on this platform. Say everybody got the right to do it and to talk within the in mind. We'll go do it. We'll quickly go for another quick break. When we come back, we'll go react to this question and also collect more calls from our viewers. Would they go? Maybe would they come?
Welcome back to Acid Hot. The studio still they come on smoke. And they always did it like that. Every time we get Honorable Kayode Okpefa inside studio. We get one of our callers when they're on top of a telephone line. Good morning and welcome to Acid Hot.
Good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, would they hear you? Right on.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is not sure. The thing makes sense, though.
Thank you very much.
They call from Worry, and I enjoy the show well, not be small.
Thank you very much, Gabriel.
Yeah, the thing is, I won't come out for the corruption matter when I discuss for them.
Okay,
free.
they hear you. They hear you.
We don't say what we talk this corruption matter. Every time, corruption here and there, but we need to see the end result. And the piece our judiciary is going to work well. It is better we still put eye for our judiciary. We check out. Because you can't fight corruption, whereby they say the law, they do in work, they need to perform well. Because at the end, we can't be like to say we don't waste our time. We're supposed to look into our lawyers because they be like them too, they corrupt. Because the way that they drag the case, if an ordinary person now get issues, they need to waste time. Sharp they don't send their enter prison.
Very true.
Or sharp they don't do one or two things. But if the person where get name, where get big name, they go drag and drag and drag and drag them. Before you go know, they don't bail them. Before you go know, the person go die. So that's for corruption. The other thing they say when it comes to the matter of
The budget.
the budget matter where they talk and say the father. That's a normal thing where they already do before. But just that say our new president, I don't like the pattern. The man effectively say he gets sense, and when they look and say he no go school or the man a bookie, but the man gets sense, and the man effectively say he get foresight.
Very true. Oga Gabriel, we don't go waste time too much.
Thank
You
you
don't already
very
talk
much,
and
Oga
say
Gabriel.
our Oga President they do the right thing. We get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby they call us all the way from Amsterdam for Netherlands. Oga Bobby, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As Ide Hot.
I greet on that trio.
We
morning,
greet you,
Oga
Oga Bobby. Good morning.
Good morning.
Gabriel just finished matter for my ear, you know. But it is a matter through 2 cents on top of the whole matter.
Feel free.
I still hold on to say we dey worship corruption. Why I say so? Say those who they steal from us, would they encourage them by calling them chairman, chairman, will give them
Excellency.
All the accolades.
which
National honor.
you are encouraging corruption. You understand me now? You personally, you when they call them all those titles names, you are encouraging corruption. You are a corrupt person too. You get me so? If you see somebody when they corrupt, you could tell them say what they do not they right. He or she could not say yes, say what they do, in order to do well. True. Government officials for office and all that. about our judiciary. So I think federal government need to sack most of the judges and put new judges. When we say it will implement the law to the fullest. You understand me now? We'll make sure say 1 or 2, 3 big men sleep jail for 4 years, 5 years. The normal Greek Rio, not for those when they say they be like house. When we say our prisoners, all of them sleep, so me they sleep there. Me, they feel high deal.
Very, very true.
You understand me?
Oga, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Because of time, we could just say make you give us chance. Make we call it Andy. Andy, they call us all the way from Lekki. Oga Andy, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Yeah, good morning, brother.
Good morning, Oga Andy.
Yeah, I never seen that man with the honorable way talk about the budget.
Okay.
You want to talk there? Talk about intangible, tangible and the intangible this thing matter there. I agree with them. This budget, what they do from the generation of Nigeria, the common man not the benefit inside. My question is this: if the common man the benefit inside is this, my question is this: why does anything will go up for Nigeria not ever come down? The price still remain the same. Then what is the work of the budget? It's not to bring the things will go up down. Then why are we paying more tax, indirect tax, more than as we consume? Look at you buy the tax card now, before you know it, they do nothing for you. You go to market now, 17 naira tomato, 15 naira tomato now. This packet tomato now is 17 naira. Why is this? Who is supplying this thing? And those people who are in the House of Assembly here, they buy their own in container, in tins, and keep it there in the freezers. What are we doing? What about us? Those who stand in the sun to cast our votes.
Very true.
Number one, another thing again, I have never seen those who are coming from governorship. I never see any of their child stand to cast votes during voting time. Does it mean that the team never reached 18 years to cast votes?
Oga Andy, these your questions. Now questions were very, very strong. And plenty Nigerians they ask him. We really appreciate. We go just throw him over to our honorable. Honorable, he talk something. He said the budget now to allow for stability. He come talk say why you be say for Nigeria anything when go up, no they come down. He give us that one pen and pipe. As they like to chop jollof rice. He talk say tin tomato when they sell 15 naira.
Say that becomes 70
naira.
He they correct to some extent, but me I know the lie me good they generalize. Price of cement go up, it come down now. A recharge card, the price no be per second. It don't come down now. So some things they come down. The thing where you want to be say life they hard poor man.
Not true.
That one not true. But anything we go up, they say what goes up must come down.
Exactly.
What's gonna be is gonna be. If the only thing we go up, we no go come down at your age.
Yes.
And when it go up, you don't want come down. You go die. So anything we go up.
You know they come down.
But life they hard for poor man.
So honorable, what we go feel for that poor man?
For the budget, make I talk. The budget they do well for common man.
This particular one.
Any budget.
Okay.
And this particular one, almost 50% of this particular budget, na common man.
That is them going by the 500.
Going by if for 6 trillion, they go pay salary, government,
capital,
recurrent expenditure, almost na 3 trillion. You can't remain 3 trillion. You can't remove 350. You can't remain 2.5. Then housing go build house. If they build house, if common man no fit buy house, if he no be renter, but the man where they rent before, he don't go buy. Now he say price of renter. I confirm from my friend where they live for Amuwo, say the price where they rent flat for Amuwo don't come down. The same thing for people where they for Aja. If you build house now, you plenty, nobody they rent them because people they ask for small. So not be everything, but for food to come down, you go plant more. We know they plant.
Strong talk.
We know they plant with the import.
With the import food.
With what? $, and yuan. So
and then they cause the rise.
So if you don't want to make price of food, they go up, make it not come down, we go plant. Not be say all the people were supposed to plant for beans, for Kano, Katsina, Kano.
Different parts of
then
the
Lagos they do aboki.
They drive Okada.
Those who suppose they do yam for Zaki Biam. And for
Benue,
Benue.
yes.
All of them don't come up. come Lagos, they do Okrika. Something. So when everybody they do the thing when you like, things go dey like this.
But say you go talk now, say everybody do wetin they like, abi
Condition.
the right thing.
Now you make their crayfish bend.
Now, for the past so many years,
Okay,
you get
true.
bad government, like in talk. So now government we no make people fall in line. This government wey Buhari come dey say, me I wan make everybody come in line. When me I dey university, me I chop chicken.
Oh.
With ice cream.
Oh.
Jollof rice.
Oh.
I want top am with banana.
Oh. In fact,
For
I
50
go
kobo.
now only
No,
one
50
room.
kobo.
Only one room you dey.
No, me na second batch for
Okay.
Ilorin permanent site. So the crowd was put for room of 4, they put 8. For room of 3, they put 6.
But then-
For room of 2, they put 4.
It don't be like presently where we say we will go.
That time, make I crack joke. We don't get NEPA for campus. We dey use generator. So they go turn generator for 6 p.m. to 12 midnight. Then go off am. Then go turn am for 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Then go off am. We don't get water. Then they take tanker.
They bring
We
water.
But before we finish, light come.
We can just keep
everything come.
We can just keep saying Nigeria shall be great again. We get Alozie. Alozie, they call us all the way from Enugu State. Oga Alozie, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi and Nkwobi. How
Good
una
morning,
dey?
Oga.
We dey fine, Oga
And
Alozie.
me too now. Good
I
morning.
agree that commissioner wey dey there. That
Honorable,
commissioner,
yes.
Good morning.
That former commissioner.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We dey hear you, we dey hear you.
Continue.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi and Nkwobi and the former commissioner.
Right on, we dey hear you.
I dey talk say, you know, say this corruption wey dem dey fight, na one-sided corruption wey dem dey fight. You know, say himself, him be APC man. As APC man, he don't see where APC. They don't bring out APC man, say they fight corruption, they fight am for EFCC. Now, all PDP people, then they say, I'm deal, now PDP people. What of Amechi wey carry money for River State, come they do campaign for Buhari. They don't carry an ad for EFCC, say in the fight corruption.
Oga Alozie, you
So
get
forget
fact.
about that
You get.
corruption.
Oga Alozie, you get fact to prove say Amechi carry money from in this thing, take do campaign.
All of them, they corrupt from
No,
A
if you
to
get
Z,
fact,
they corrupt.
now we go feed you this thing.
From A to Z, they corrupt. So make them forget about that corruption. With the present, make Nigeria day better.
Oga Alozie, thank you very much for
Thank
this
you very
important
much, Oga
contribution.
Alozie.
But it go good make we clear some kind things. You get somebody when they call Jafaru Issa. The EFCC been pick am for January and then describe him as close associate of President Muhammadu
himself.
Buhari. In fact, when President Buhari did the party before he even come say APC, now two of them don't dey together. And the thing when
We
happen that
also
time, they
don't
talk say he
see
collect
similar
money
cases as
from Oga Sambo Dasuki to buy house for am. But he can't return the one when they had because he talk say he don't know where the money come from. So like our Ogbonge visitor talk say, some of these people now people when they government before. And the reason why then they try clean all these things now because as you inherit the government, you must ensure say everything they very, very clear. But we appreciate your contribution and we don't note that one down. Honorable Kayode Okpefa, you don't talk about say, okay, with the way when these budgets they go now, the common man, if we make sure say we at least, even if not 50%, everybody go benefit from am. Maybe we can't come back to one way you been they talk that time before we can enter the one about petrol.
Now another sign of corruption you see there. They don't destroy they destroy all the refinery. They burn all the pipeline. They give somebody contract, make it go defend pipeline. I don't mention them. You know that contract where somebody get billion. Upon all, no pipeline they defend it. No be corruption be that. So now me I know this one well. Now Nigeria they pump oil reach Ibadan. Before May last year, they know they pump oil reach Ibadan. Now then they pump oil reach Ibadan. Now this thing go end soon. If the government know they corrupt, come face the problem. Come solve because the people when they inside this business, they too they fight back.
That is they fight back so that you no go stop.
To be scarce, and then to go chop. Now part of corruption. So that's why you see the one for Lagos don't stop. Suddenly the thing come
up again.
Who they put down for paper say price go reach 130. Now somebody sponsor them now. That's when the thing come back to Lagos. The thing don't stop Lagos last week. Suddenly they can't say for today, price of petrol go be 130. That's why the thing can't come back. My own no, that's what me I dey think. Some people know one. See the man we carry jerry can here. Where he buy the jerry can? Now government did that filling station.
No.
How people they fuel all their car? How they see the thing buy for 130? The man will buy am, where they sell at 130. How much him buy am? No be 77 naira. True. No be corruption with that. Into don't they corrupt? They sell am for wrong. But how come all the major, Mobil, Total, MRS, Owando, Connoy, Forte, they sell am 86 naira 50 kobo. Some come they sell am.
Like
not the same place they buy.
Not the same.
Maybe we ask ourselves. Now we they enjoy ourselves. Now, some people go say the thing no dey plenty. Now we say demand and supply. Even with demand and supply, if you see the number of cars with the Lagos road, every day they move. If the thing no day, they no go move.
Very true.
Now we say the thing day.
Very true.
Somebody they hold down somehow.
So this one, me and the suspect say now because somebody say the thing go increase, and it be like say the people wey dey behind this business. Those no be government people now. Very true. Now the businessmen they no want make this thing end because Buhari don't stop subsidy payment to them. He can't they pay subsidy to me and you for pump. You know before now then they collect the subsidy. 100%. Now Buhari can say he go bring them, give NNPC part of the subsidy. Me and you go fee buy. When they don't want bring the thing inside, NNPC they go bring them, they give them, make them the
Honorable.
They say they don't like them.
Honorable, this discussion when they discuss so it
never ends.
because even if we start now you be the now you self the right the hot because as we dey throw the question come left and right now that time the thing they even
they hurt me they hurt me
may no hurt
make I no born
no born because we know say we go still need you again when we get the opportunity. I recall say the last time when you come now for March we go still need you again to come on
March I come
now March be the last time when you come now. The last today na May. The last time when you call na March, but we go still make sure say.
No, it is historical.
If you
they elected the president Buhari for March. They can't install him for May.
We hope say the next time when you go call no be December when you sign budget. When we go. Our people when they for us, we always talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Make we do everything what we do to support our government when we say don't come and talk, say they won't do the right thing. But that one don't mean say we're not going to talk. Our president no be God. Our president no be oracle. He be person when we say na president of the whole country. If we see waiting no good, make we talk because Nigeria belong to all of us. If the country better, we go enjoy them. And if the country spoil, all of us go still suffer them. So make we pray for our country, make the country good. Honorable Kayode Okpefa, thank you very much for coming on top of RC the Hot. Our people waiting for us until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. Nkubi.
Well, bye-bye till tomorrow.
Honorable, thank you very much.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.